This is the horse that's in to be restarted. That's given us a hard time getting on. She has had a lot of saddle time at one point. A lot of saddle time with a good trainer. But she's been standing out in the pasture for a couple of years, hadn't been ridden, hadn't been worked. She came back to me to restart her. And she's doing good with everything except for standing to be mounted, which is pretty bad. Once you get in the saddle, she's actually riding really good, but she needs to get better to stand to be mounted. Let's see what she gives me. She's not paying attention. I'm gonna get her attention on me. I'm gonna prepare, let her know what's coming. Let's see what she does. I want to get her head tilted a little bit to me and get her to stand still. Good girl. And we're going to walk away. Get her head to me again. We'll do that again. Didn't have her head enough. Let me get her head some more. Get her head to me. There we go. Girl. So what I want to do is get her head around so that if she reacts in a circle. Step up and down a few times. Once we get on her back, she's actually been pretty good. Get her head around. Good girl. Good girl. Head around again. Good girl. I'm looping the rein around the horn so that I have enough strength to hold the rein, hold her head to the side. Now let's see if we can get her walking forward. She needs a lot of practice getting on and off. Horse actually rides pretty good once you get on. We just need a lot of getting on and off practice. All right. Ask her to stop. And I'll step down. Good girl. We've been getting on and off over a bunch of times every day. And as you see from today, it's a drastic improvement from the first time you go to get on her to every time after that. So what we have to do is just keep getting on her, on and off, until she's okay with everything. Let's do it one more time. I'd rather her wait for me to walk off. That's something else that needs to be better. But it's better than what it was when we started. So this is Koda. I'll put a link up here to the other video that we done over. Until next time, thank you for watching.